Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Faza Miftahul Haq and I'm from 9C. Now I will present my scientific project, and the title is The Effect of Sport on Academic Achievement of JIS Junior High Student. This is my table of content. The first chapter is Introduction, the second is Result and Data Analysis, the third one is Conclusion and Recommendation. This is the Islamic value. It's written in Quran Surah Al-Anfal verse 60. Problem background. I choose this title because the theme is relevant to me and I am one of the students who feels its impact. I also want this title to be useful to the others. I also want to see how GI student feels its impact. Exercise itself is very important for our bodies because if we have healthy body, we will also be enthusiastic in living our daily life. Problem formulation. Based on the background information provided, this study will address 4 issues. The first one, why do adolescents consider sport and academic achievement to be a necessity? Does sport have an impact on academic achievement? What are the benefits? And what is the impact? What is the impact of excessive exercise on student academic achievement? Research objective. The objective of this study are to determine student perception that exercise and academic achievement are a necessity, to determine the influence of exercise on student academic achievement, to determine the benefit of exercise on academic achievement, to determine the impact of excessive exercise on student academic achievement. Research methodology. This research method uses a descriptive method and distributes questionnaire to JIS Junior High School students. The author will distribute questionnaire to JIS Junior High School students regarding the influence of sport on their academic achievement. The research instrument use a pie chart to see the percentage of result and questionnaires. Writing systematic. The structure of this scientific paper consists of 3 chapters. The first one is introduction. The second chapter is discussion or result and data analysis. The third chapter or the last one is conclusion and recommendation. Theoretical basis. Sport has many impact on us as a student. We will look at a research finding on whether sport has positive and negative impact. We will look at the research finding through a pie chart. Before that, we will look at the positive and negative impact. Positive and negative impact. The positive one, improving physical health, improving concentration and focus, improving cognitive skill. The negative is if exercise is excessive. Negative one is less time for study, sleep disturbance, wrong priorities. And then we will go to the questionnaires. The first question is, does sport affect student in their learning? Sport can affect student and their learning, they say. Second one is, can sport hinder student learning? For some students it's possible, or they say yes. For the other it's not. The third question, does sport have benefit for a student learning? They say sport has a benefit for student learning. The fourth one is, should sport and academic achievement be balanced? They say yes, both must be balanced. The fifth one is sport important for student? Mostly of them say yes, sport is important for student. The question number 6, do you as a student exercise regularly? Mostly of them say yes and the rest say no. The Question number 7. Do you agree that students who exercise regularly perform at academic achievement better? Mostly of them is agree. We will go number 8. Number 8. Can exercise relieve stress and bored? Almost of them say yes or answer yes. Number 9. Which should be priorities? Some answer academic achievement, a small number answer sports, and the majority answer a balanced approach. The last question, number 10. Can sporting activity at school affect academic performance? From the question pie chart percentage, I can conclude that yes. We will go to the conclusion. The conclusion, based on the result of the study obtained by distributing questionnaire to students, I can conclude that sports have an impact on academic achievement of students. However, this impact not only the negative one, but also has benefit or positive effect. Recommendation. I advise students to continue participating in their sport activity available at school. As a student, we must maintain a healthy and fit body. However, we must not forget our learning ability and academic achievement. Although sports are important, academic achievements are equally important. Therefore, try to manage your time to develop both your academic and non-academic abilities. I think that's all from me. I'm sorry if I get wrong. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.